Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the alpha version of Minecraft. First, launch your Minecraft application and ensure you are on the Java Edition tab. Then, find the Settings button, usually located in the lower left of the window. Click on it and scroll down to the Minecraft Java Edition settings. Here, you will find an important checkbox labeled Show Historical Versions of Minecraft, Java Edition in the launcher. Make sure to enable this option to unlock older game versions. Now that historical versions are visible, head back to the Installations tab at the top of your launcher. You will see a button to create a new installation. Click this to proceed. Give your new installation a clear name, perhaps Minecraft Alpha, so you can easily identify it later. This step is crucial for organizing your different game versions within the launcher, ensuring a smooth experience when switching between them. Within the new installation window, locate the Version drop-down menu. Click on it, and you will see a long list of available game versions. Scroll all the way down to find the various alpha releases. Many players recommend selecting Alpha 1.2.6 as it offers a more complete experience before the beta stages. Once chosen, click the Create button to finalize your new profile. With your alpha installation created, go to the Play tab. From the version selector, choose the alpha profile you just set up. When you click Play, you might see a warning about playing older, unsupported versions. Simply click I understand or Play anyway to continue. The game will then launch, allowing you to experience Minecraft as it was in its early development stages. Enjoy your nostalgic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.